Hello again, and welcome to Michelle Made That Party Favors and Crafts. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I put together my chip bags. So first thing I do is fold my paper. And then I just crimp the edge like this. I do the top and I do the bottom. Okay, so once that is done, I do go in with my hot glue gun and I glue one side of the back. And then fold the other side down. And then I just apply more glue to the bottom. And just press it down with my fingers. And then the opening at the top is where you will slide your chip bag in. Then I just glue the top like this and close that up. And then I like to take my crafting scissors and just cut the edges of the chip bags, the top and the bottom. And that is all, you guys. Now let's make some more.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Need some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Might have been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. You know what you want. Maybe I don't love myself. I don't know.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Alright, that's it. I am all done. As you can see, I did use 2 different types of paper and they both came out very pretty. Stay tuned for the next video.